Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you through the NELGA Land Data Hub. Basically, we refer to it also as NELGA Land Data Portal. But before I get to the portal, which is being displayed through this URL at the moment in my screen, I'll just like to take you through a little presentation to give an overview of what NELGA is all about. So to begin with, what is NELGA? NELGA stands for a Network of Excellence on Land Governance in Africa. That is the meaning of NELGA. So the African Land Policy Center established NELGA with the objectives of strengthening human and institutional capacity for the implementation of the African Union Agenda on Land. NELGA is a partnership of leading African universities and research institutions with proven leadership in education, training, research on land matters on land governance. NELGA aims to promote research in the field of land governance and to provide necessary data to support government policy and program implementations as well as monitoring. So this project has been implemented through the support of GIZ, that is the German corporation. And NELGA targets mostly researchers and policymakers. So those are our targeted end users. And it has three main objectives. So the first one is to accumulate country and regional specific sources of land related information and guide the users in obtaining this information. It also provides necessary data to monitor government policy and program implementation in the land sector. It also enables researchers across the continent to carry out applied research to inform policy dialogue. So, and back to the viewer, I just want to give you a quick preview of the NELGA Land Data Hub. So this is the landing page. This is the landing page of the NELGA Land Data Hub. And as you can see, we have the main menu here comprising of various items. We have articles, we have indicators, we have documents, we have links, we have spatial data, country, and this is like a help tool. It's called frequently asked questions. And then you have language. You can always be able to interchange between the two, that is French and English. So articles are mainly documents that have been written by various authors. And if you click on articles, you'll be able to get a link of various documents that are land related, and you can be able to download those links. You can always be able to see who the author is and what that information is all about. We have specific indicators here. Those indicators indicate mostly various parameters that are used to basically categorize various land related information. We have documents. These are mostly images, PDF files that are also land related. We have links to specific online resources that are also land related. We have spatial data, one of the main components of the Land Data Hub, spatial datasets. We have administrative boundaries, we have land use, land cover data, etc. And then we have the main countries that we're working with. At the moment, we're working with 4 countries, that is Tanzania, Rwanda, and Botswana. So I'll just try to give a quick preview of this portal, the way it looks. So this is the landing page. You can be able to search for specific things here. There's an arbitrary search button here. You can be able to just do a quick search. For instance, you can just type a name of a country here and then see what is going to come. We have what is the latest information that is on the portal comes here. We have latest documents all the way down, and then the last bit of it, you can see those are latest links that have been included, important links that we have, and then we have latest spatial data also. We have indicators, those like parameters, and then we have our partners, the main countries that we are working with, that is Senegal, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Botswana. And the last, on the footnote of the page, you can see we have the main partners that are implementing this project. We have RCMD, we have German Corporation and GIZ. And I think from the link here, you can be able to find our partners, and that is good enough. So just let's try to just do a quick search using the articles menu. So if you click on the articles, it takes you to this subcategory here. We have other ways through which you can be able to search your documents. You can search by theme, maybe search by location, etc. We don't have a lot of articles at the moment, so we don't need to do a very refined search. So you can just do with what exists. But as you can see, you can be able to just quickly see the type of articles that have been uploaded. Like this one has even a thumbnail. So if you click on the articles, you can be able to see who the authors are. Here the authors are listed here. It also comes with a bit of metadata, and that is providers information, themes, categories, countries that article is covering, the keywords, and then we have also the abstract part of the article, so that it can give a user some quick information of what that is all about. So basically, that's all about the articles. We also have spatial data here. I think this is quite important. Let me just quickly go through the spatial data. So if you click on the spatial data, you can be able to also do a quick search. Sorry for that. You can be able to do a quick search on, on, the, on the kind of spatial data set that we have in the portal, or in the hub rather. Again, we have this search window here, which can allow more refined searches. But at the moment, we don't have a lot of data, so we're just going to use a specific country. And one of the priority countries that we have implemented this project is Rwanda. So I can just click on Rwanda here to just showcase what we have. And I can see we have about 3 data sets for Rwanda. At the moment, we don't have a lot of data because we are planning to have a sensitization workshop in the coming few weeks, where we'll be showcasing this portal to our countries, and we'll be training them on how to upload data and articles and documents that are land related in nature. So basically, that's what we have for Rwanda. We have about 3 data sets here. These are mostly sample data that we're just putting for sharing, for information purposes only. I can just give an overview of using the land administrative boundary. It also has other information. You can see we have title, we have, it indicates the date, time that the data sets were uploaded, and who also uploaded the data, and a user can also be able to download the data, and that's quite important for such kind of portals. So you can see there's something small here that's showing. So maybe I can just zoom to layer so that I can be able to have a good preview of the layer. And again, what else? I think I can be able to change the base maps here. It's a functionality to change the background. You can see different base layers. Yeah, and then I can also be able to print my map. So this is quite good enough. So this is just a quick preview of the spatial data menu and what it has in place. So I'm just going to give you a chance also to check through all the other ones, see what we have under documents, see what we have under articles, country. Yeah, it's quite interesting. You can filter out information by just clicking on different countries, for instance Botswana here, and then I can be able to just see what exactly do we have under Botswana. So let's just go through that. We have indicators and spatial data, and then it zooms to, I think, okay, that's just a whole map, etc. So that is good enough. So how do you join us? How do you contribute to this effort? You can always be able to click on this and upload articles, documents, and share your spatial data if you have a chance to, if you're willing to. And we're always encouraging people who are land policies and those who have interest in land related area to upload their data and articles and documents. It can be scientific papers, it can be research document, it can be data that was produced through given land related efforts. So it's always good to contribute, and that is a good platform where you can be able to share data. So you should be able to log in, at least register first before you log in, and then you're going to give users permissions to do that. So, well, basically that's all we have for today. I think in case of anything, feel free to contact RCMID. Um, GIT group so that we can be able to join you up in this effort. Thank you very much and have a good day.